Hello. Wow, that's really bright. So, this is amazing. I can't believe it. Can you? This is the cr-48 at my house. For free. Let's get this crap out of the way and do a pure unboxing. These clothes out of the way. Look at that. Can you believe this, son? Can you believe this? An empty box. Look at that. I couldn't believe it, dude. I could not believe it. Comes with 3G. Can you believe it? It comes with 3G, dude. Ah. This crap out of the way. There it is. Get the plastic out of there. Look at that. That's a tough little piece of machinery. My finger. This is big. This is the darn thing. Maybe 2 fingers. And I was just using Google Voice. Look at that. Whoops. I'm back. I was trying to show off that I was using Google Voice. See? I'm always in Chrome. I got my extensions popping up there on the big screen. You know what I mean? Man, somebody at work, we're having a nice little conversation. I was just thinking to myself, how am I going to make better use of my minutes? I was just looking for something to do tonight. Now I've got something to do tonight. Clean. Nothing. Incognito. Look at this bad boy. This is a mean one, kids. This is a mean one. See if there's any juice in the battery. Look at this battery. Look at Mario. Look how thin the battery is. I've got fat fingers, as probably everyone knows, but actually not everyone. I'm not as famous as I'd like to think. But it doesn't really matter. Most of these small children probably can't do an unboxing video with one hand. But I can. When I say small children, I mean you. What goes in here first? Does this go in first? Like this? It does. Well, it's right in there. Let's get it booting. Wow. This thing looks like a freaking MacBook, kid. Alright. Wow. I've got to do this. I'm sucked in. I'll do all this crap and come back.